Dark web is the non-indexed part of the internet, which is not accessible by traditional search engines like Google and Yahoo. In order to visit the dark web, you need a special kind of browser, which is called the TOR browser. TOR stands for the Onion Router. Using TOR is simple and easy. TOR uses DuckDuckGo as a search engine, and it creates an IP tunnel to access the dark web. In dark web, all sites end with .onion. There's a hidden wiki on the dark web, which acts just like the Wikipedia. It contains logs or records of some well-known websites in the dark web, along with their purposes mentioned. In the dark web, you will find free research papers on medicine, technology, science, etc. Facebook, the real Facebook, has its own Onion site hosted on the dark web. And many other illegal stuffs like Facebook, like fake password generator, drugs dealing, red rooms, black hat hackers, and hiring assassins, and much more illegal stuffs are available on the dark web. The hidden wiki is one of the best sites in the dark web to find other Onion sites. It acts as a source to find the other Onion sites. Viewers are not encouraged to visit the dark web because a single wrong click in the dark web can ruin their whole life. The dark web and the deep web are often used simultaneously and interchangeably. To clarify, the deep web includes all the pages that don't pop up when you run a web search. This covers everything requiring a login, such as personal email like Gmail, online banking, or other search sites. Conversely, the dark web relies on encryption to keep content anonymous. Within the dark web, there exist emerging social media platforms similar to those on the World Wide Web, which is the surface web. Facebook and other traditional social media platforms have begun to make dark web versions of their websites to address problems associated with the traditional platforms and to continue their services in all areas of the World Wide Web. Bans with the restricted contents such as Christian Church have made the use of deep web. In July 2017, Roger Dingledine, one of the three founders of the TOR project, said that Facebook is the biggest hidden service till date. The dark web comprises only 3% of the traffic in the TOR network. A February 2016 study from researchers at King's College London gives the following breakdown of the content by an alternative category set, highlighting the illicit use of .onion websites, .onion services. If proper safety measures are not taken or maintained while visiting the dark web or while surfing the dark web, there's a high chance of identity theft and hacking attacks. So this was all about today's video. Please do like and share this video and subscribe my channel for regular updates related to technology, cybersecurity, and ethical hacking. Thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned for the next one.